Feels good on my calves from all my training. Feels like it's 50 degrees. We're gonna be doing a little speck fishing today. Don't got a lot of battery though, so just gonna film if we catch something. Also, this is a test ride. He's been doing stuff to the boat. And you needed some big Clydesdale weight on the front to see how it goes.
We're gonna use it to see what it'll do.
Yeah. Almost on plane. Not too bad though. Better than paddling. It does better than last time though. Drifting fast. Slow troll. Got all of them.
Going as fast as we can, baby.
So that's all we're using. Little jig head. Yum. River. Oh, the bass.
Yeah, good.
We didn't get skunked. Wasn't ready for the video.
You go, little buddy.
Yo, got one.
Heard something.
Just got the one. No specs.